Hey guys, it's Danny here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to troubleshoot these heaters. These in particular are defrost heaters I pulled out of a freezer. I have two different types. This one is much longer, as you guys can see, and one of them is working and the other one isn't. So I just want to troubleshoot them with you, and all you're going to need is a voltmeter or amp meter. That's all you're going to need. So first thing you want to do is put it into amps, or put it into ohms. I don't know if you guys can see, but what I'm going to do is it's on ohms right now. And first we're going to start with this heater, the black one here. So once I put this one on both ends, we're going to see our reading. So here's one end and the other end, like so. What we see is 40 ohms. That's perfect. We want a reading on these heaters. That means that our heater is intact and it's not broken. So now we're going to go to this one. Now we'll do the same thing over here. So this end and the other lead on the other end. Now what do we see, guys? What do you get? Open. So that means that there is some kind of broken spot on this heater, and therefore this heater will not work once there is power hooked up to this heater. So you did that, and now we're just going to take a look to see if we could visually see any broken parts. And right here you guys can see it is broken. I did this on purpose just for this video so you guys can see what type of ohms readings you want to read on your heaters when you are troubleshooting them. So if it's broken, you're going to get an open reading, and when it's closed and everything is intact, you're going to get an ohm reading. In this case, it was roughly 40 ohms.